Have you been using the wrong hand sanitizer? Well, in this video, I'm going to tell you why you need to switch to the On Guard hand sanitizing mist. Hi, I'm Lori Funderburk, an essential oil user and educator. Go ahead and subscribe so you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video. I'm excited to give you the chance to grab my free Essential Oils Made Easy guide. All you got to do is click the description below to find both of those links. The doTERRA On Guard hand sanitizing mist is the perfect addition to the well-loved doTERRA On Guard collection. It's infused with doTERRA's On Guard protective blend that you've grown to love. In addition, the active ingredient in doTERRA On Guard sanitizing mist kills 99.9% of germs and bacteria. This mist will help protect your family and home against environmental threats. Now let me tell you about some of my favorite uses. It's so convenient, and the packaging of it is, I love it. It's useful for a lot of situations. For instance, if you are traveling anywhere, I keep this in my car. In fact, I have several bottles in all of our cars, and we keep it there for our road trips. You can also put it in your gym bag to use after touching your gym. You can put a bottle of it in your purse. I have at least 2 bottles in my purse while you're on the go. Or you can add it to your teenager's backpack at school for easy access. There's so many ways to use it. I like to spray the table when we go out to a restaurant and just make sure that it's good and clean. Those are just a few of the ways that I use it. Let me tell you some interesting facts about this hand sanitizing mist. Along with the previously mentioned ingredients I've said, it's infused with a natural apple extract, which naturally moisturizes your hands rather than leaving them dry like other sanitizers. Your hands will feel soft and smooth after use. It also includes wild orange, clove, cinnamon, eucalyptus, and rosemary that not only provide protective benefits, but also have an uplifting citrus spice. Also included in the sanitizing mist is the naturally derived ingredient ethyl alcohol, which gives the mist antiseptic properties, so it effectively cleanses your hands and prevents the spread of bacteria. Hey, it's just another way for you to take control of your family's health naturally. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.